gentlemen, I am Cahyani Permatasari from SMA Negeri Kasiman Bojonegoro. Now I want to tell the story. The title is Damarwulan. Here we go. One day there lived a beautiful queen, the name of Kencana Wungu, in the Majapahit kingdoms. At the time, the center of the kingdom was located in Damarwulan, East Java. One of small kingdom in Majapahit was the Blambangan kingdoms, which was led by a king the name of His face like a buffalo and had two horns on his head. Kencana Wungu felt that Adipati was a threat because he kept trying to seize power of Majapahit. That's why she was idea to make a contest. The contest reached whoever beats Adipati will be appointed Duke of Blambangan and will become the wife of Kencana Wungu. Decided placement. The news was very quickly. Many people joined this part, but no one was be able to beat Adipati. One day, a handsome and son, the name of Gada. He is known as the witness of Duke's Kabupaten. He challenged Adipati to fight the handler Gada Wesi Kuning. In the middle of the battles, the Dukes of Kabupaten defeated and Jawa came She was very happy when heard that Jawa won the match. So then he crowned Jawa as Duke of Blambangan and gave him a title with the name Minakjinggo. However, Kencana Wungu was betrayed his promise to marry Minakjinggo because she was not handsome again. She was disliked, so she was ideally make a contest sex. So I will beat Minakjinggo with me. Said the queen of Kencana Wungu. One day, there a man named Damarwulan. When he heard about the contest held by the queen, he wanted to join part the contest and meet the queen of Kencana Wungu. After that, Damarwulan go to Blambangan to battle with Minakjinggo to fight with him. Damarwulan carried out in front of the Minakjinggo place. After they met each other, they finally had a battle. Minakjinggo bring the halo Gada Wesi Kuning and finally beat Damarwulan. They immediately fight in the castle area. The fight was intense. Finally, Damarwulan hit by Gada Wesi Kuning and the defeat of Damarwulan. Then he told him in person. But when in the person, Minakjinggo's wife died at Damarwulan. Then they was taken care of Damarwulan and had Damarwulan defeat Minakjinggo. After night, Dewi Wahita and Dewi Pela stole the heirloom and they gave it Damarwulan. They also realized him for the persons and ruled away. In the morning, to challenge Minakjinggo for the second time, Minakjinggo was very surprised to see the heirloom in Damarwulan's hands. Suddenly, Damarwulan attacked Minakjinggo with the easy. Finally, Minakjinggo did in the battle. Damarwulan go back to Majapahit to report to the Kencana Wungu that he had defeated Minakjinggo and Gada Wesi Kuning as she keeps her promise. Keep her promise. Finally, the queen of Kencana Wungu married Damarwulan. I enclose my speaking in this occasion and thank you for attention. I hope you enjoy